This police officer came in looking for a vehicle for his mom. He came in to look at for a Kia Stinger. Loved it. Put a deposit, I think, yesterday. Came in. He's about to pick it up. He brought his own truck and a trailer with him. And so he is gonna just sign the documents which are left. Get all the contracts done. I'll put the plates on. And he's gonna put another vehicle on it and take it back to Huntsville. He's a smart dude. So I was just showing his wife. She wanted to take a look at the Tesla Model Y. Let's see how that goes. Teslas are very different. If you've never driven a Tesla, they're different. Get used to the braking, this and that. It may feel awkward at first, for sure. But personally, I do have a Tesla for my wife. It was awkward at first, but then, for example, my truck that I drive, I want that auto brakes. It's so nice, dude.
How you like your new car?
Love it, man. Love it. Appreciate you.
No problem, man. Appreciate you, man.